Samruddhi, how can we identify living and non-living things? Priya, both of them have certain features that distinguish them from each other. Living things move on their own. Animals move from one place to other in search of food and shelter. They also move to protect themselves from their enemies. Plants do not move from one place to another, but some parts of the plant show movement. The roots of a plant grow and move into the soil in search of water. The stems of plants move towards light. A sunflower turns in the direction of the sun. Non-living things do not move on their own. Living things need food and water to grow and live. Food provides energy to do various activities. Living things obtain food in different ways. Green plants make their own food with the help of sunlight. Animals and humans obtain their food from plants and other animals. Water forms an important part of the body of all living things and is necessary for the survival. Non-living things do not need food and water as they do not grow. All living things need to breathe in air to stay alive. We breathe through our nose. Fish breathe through their gills. Insects breathe through the tiny holes on their bodies. Plants take in air through tiny pores present on the underside of the leaves called stomata. Non-living things do not breathe because they are not alive. Priya, all living things grow into their adult forms. They grow taller, wider and become bigger. Non-living things do not grow. Living things feel the changes around them. Your fingers will feel cold when you touch an ice cube. We feel or sense changes around us with the help of the sense organs, the eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Insects have special body parts called antennae that help them to feel changes around them. Plants can also feel the touch-me-not plant closes its leaves when touched. The leaves of the rain tree droop due to lack of sunlight. A lotus flower opens and out at sunrise and closes at night. Non-living things do not feel the changes in their surroundings. Living things produce young ones of their own kind. It's called reproduction. Some animals reproduce by laying eggs. The young ones hatch out from the eggs. Hens, tortoises and snakes lay eggs. Some animals give birth to their young ones. Elephants, dogs, cats and humans give birth to their young ones. A new plant develops from a seed. However, not all plants develop from seeds. Some plants can reproduce from their body parts. Non-living things do not reproduce. A table cannot produce another table because it is a non-living thing. Living things throw out wastes from their body. In humans, the wastes are thrown out in the forms of feces, urine and sweat. Our skin helps us to remove the sweat. Plants also produce wastes. Plants remove wastes, gases and water through their leaves. Some plants remove waste through their barks in the form of resins and gums. Samruddhi, how can we